These are the main corridor. It is around 2 meter width. This is 2 meter width, and this is the main resident engineer office. So this resident engineer office. Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. This week I would like to share with you the construction of temporary office facilities for one of our clients. So let me explain regarding these projects. So these projects, the base of these projects we made with block works. All the perimeter area we put the block works, all the perimeter you can see in the trailing videos. Then after that one we backfill that area, and above that one we put the mesh, steel mesh, then above we put the concrete. So this way we made that base for these temporary office facilities. Then after that one what we have done, we have fixed the sandwich panel. You can see these all are the sandwich panel. For the outside area we put 75 mm sandwich panel. That sandwich panel is polyurethane insulated, PU insulated sandwich panel. For the inside areas we put the 50 mm sandwich panel. So you can see we have here many rooms are there for the mainly the office rooms and the meeting rooms. So this one is one office room for the one engineer. Then there are other rooms also there. You can see these are the different rooms. Then this is the common toilet. This is the common toilet, and this toilet has one is Arabian and next one is European. All this type is available. Then we can see these are the main corridor. It is around 2 meter width. This is 2 meter width, and this is the main resident engineer office. So this resident engineer office, what we have done, we have clad, this is actually sandwich panel, but inside area we cladded with gypsum board, 12 mm gypsum board, and we paint. And the ceiling what we have done, we did the same gypsum board with some decorative type gypsum board we did. And it has this room has one attached toilet also. In these toilets we put the both type is available, that Indian, Arabian and European both types toilets are available. So this way we have done these projects. So all other details and construction details and everything you can find from the trailing videos. Thank you.
you. Thanks for watching.